Hi, in this video the Legalraasta team will teach you all about the TAN registration in India, its definition, features and applicability. Now, what is the meaning of TAN number? TAN number is a 10-digit alphanumeric number short for tax deduction and collection account number. TDS heavy penalty of up to 10,000 may be attracted. TDS returns and payments would not be received by the banks if TAN number is not quoted. Legalraasta can help you obtain your TAN registration quickly. TAN has multiple features. TAN is a 10-character alphanumeric code issued by the Income Tax Department. Validity: TAN is valid for lifetime once it is issued. TDS payments: TAN must be quoted while depositing TDS in the authorized bank. Proprietorships require TAN. Individuals running a proprietorship are required to obtain TAN and deduct tax at source when required. Who should apply for TAN? Income Tax Act requires all persons who deduct or collect tax at source to apply for the TAN. You will need the following documents to be attested before the submission. To obtain TAN, an application must be made in Form 49B at any of the authorized TAN facilitation center. You can either file the documents at the NSGL office in your respective territory or use Legalraasta services for registering TAN. With Legalraasta you can register TAN by filling a simple online form available online at our website. The package for TAN starts at Rs 499. Legalraasta.com is India's top destination for legal and company matters. We can help you in forming any type of business entity, example private limited company, LLP, filing individual and company return, helping companies for their compliances such as ROC filings and minutes, protecting work through trademark and copyright. We are a trusted partner with multiple top-level expertise and affiliation, and yet cost-effective. So log on now at legalraasta.com to get registered TAN or mail us at contact@legalraasta.com.